In this video, we will show you how to replace words in Microsoft Word. How to replace words in Microsoft Word, especially on Microsoft Office 365. Okay. For example, here we're creating a blank document like this, and every default Microsoft Word when we open there is no navigation like this. Okay, you can see. Now we need to replace our case, the 1975 here. There is one, two, okay? There is two, the year of 1975, and we want to replace them. For example, with 1111 like that. And how to do that? We can just press Ctrl F on our keyboard. Just press Ctrl F on our keyboard like this, and we can find 1975 here. Okay. Now we can replace this year by clicking this and select this is replaced like that. Okay, you can see there is replace with, for example, 1111 like that, and we can replace one by one or just replace all. Just replace all, for example. Okay, let me show you, and you can see there now the 2 of 1975 is replaced with 1111 like that. Okay, how to replace the words? Once again, you can just press Ctrl plus F button on your keyboard. Now the navigation will appear, and you can just select this and select replace and find the words you want. For example, you can replace time with clock, for example, like that. Just click replace all. Okay. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.